Mira was all the time aware of the suffering a devotee must undergo if he wants to come near his God. She wanted the God to be with her, a physical presence which was not possible. Yet she went on pining for her Krishna, and she wrote several lyrics expressing her desire. At the same time, she advised others to be very careful and not to get lost in their search for God unless they were willing to suffer endlessly. She used images which were very personal of a common devotee, and that is the beauty of her lyrics. She writes, घड़ी चैन नहीं आवड़े तुम दर्शन बिन मोए, तुम ही मेरे प्राण जी कासु जीवन होए, धान न भावई नींद न आवई विरह सतावई मोहे, घायल सी घूमत फिरूं रे मेरो दर्द न जाने कोय, दिवस तो खायो गमायो रे रैन गमाई सोए, प्राण गमाया झूरता रे नैन गमाया रोए, जो मैं ऐसा जानती रे प्रीत किए दुख होए. This line has been used in several lyrics by several poets. नगर ढंढोरा फेरती रे प्रीत करो मत कोय, पंथ निहारूं डगर बुहारूं ऊभी मार्ग जोए, मीरा के प्रभु कब्रे मिलोगे तुम मिलिया सुख होए. In the video I have printed an English translation where you can stop and look at it at leisure. Basically, Meera says, without your darshan, I am not at peace even for a moment. You are my life breath. Without you, this life is worthless. I do not feel like eating. I do not get sleep. I am torn apart by the virha pangs. Aimlessly I wander, hurt by your indifference, and with none to share my sorrow. These are the realities of her life. She received no sympathy from her family. Of course, her followers loved her. And then she tells to the world, we waste our days in eating and the nights in sleep. Each breath is painful. Had I known that devotion is paid for in the currency of suffering. Stop and think over the words. Devotion is paid for in the currency of suffering. From rooftops I would have shouted, never fall in love with God. How touching, how emotional. Looking for you, I gaze into the distance to catch a glimpse. In anticipation of your arrival, I have swept the path clean. However, I am tired of this vigil. My joy lies in your blessings, my Lord. When shall I see you? It's an eternal question. When shall I see you, my God? The devotee does not know that God is within him or within her. Look inwards. Do good to others. That is godliness. But who will explain this to a devotee? Meera says, so don't fall in love with God. Take care. Otherwise you are going to suffer. In another lyric which has been sung by several great singers, she writes, मैं हरि बिन क्यों जीवू री माई, पिए कारण बौरी भई जू काठ ही घुन खाई. Lovely images, one following another. ओखद मूल न संवरई मोहि लाग्यो बौराई, कमठ दादुर बसत जल में जल ही ते उपजाई. मीन जल के बिछुरे, तन तलफ करी मर जाई, पिव ढूंढन बन बन गई, कहूँ मुरली धुन पाई। मीरा के प्रभु लाल गिरधर, मिली गए सुखदाई। How shall I survive without Hari? She asks. In his absence, I have lost my mind. I feel hollow like the wood eaten by termite. There is no medicine for such a state of mind. What a truth. Though born in water, the frogs and tortoise stay in water as well as on land. The fish, however, do not survive once taken out of water. I am like the fish, Meera says. How then do I survive without Hari? Give me an answer, Hari, wherever you are. I searched for him in the forest. Lo, suddenly I heard of his flute. Soon I found my Krishna, my abode of happiness. Most of her imagery is based on stories told in Srimad Bhagavatam about Krishna. How Krishna playing on his flute mesmerized the gopis of Vrindavan. And it seems as if the performance was never ending. So Meera also has found that Krishna is playing his flute. In her imagination, she listens to the sound of the bansuri and she thinks, yes, now he is very near. I have found him. He is the source of my happiness. I am not going to be despondent. Searching for Krishna, she wandered from forest to forest till she heard of the sound of his flute. Meera's lyrics are meant for pondering over, they are meant for listening, and the more you listen to them, the greater is the depth of meaning you discover. I enjoy every song of Meera when I apply my mind to its meanings. I hope you do the same. Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna.